The Chicks are an American country pop group composed of singer Natalie Maines and multi-instrumentalist sisters Martie, Erwin, Maguire and Emily Strayer. The band formed in 1989 in Dallas, Texas, and was originally composed of 4 women performing bluegrass and country music, busking and touring the bluegrass festival circuits and small venues for 6 years without attracting a major label. After the departure of one bandmate, the replacement of their lead singer, and a change in their repertoire, the Chicks achieved commercial success, beginning in 1998 with hit songs There's Your Trouble and Wide Open Spaces. Days before the 2003 invasion of Iraq, Maines told a London audience the band did not endorse the war and were ashamed of US President George W. Bush being from Texas. The statement led to boycotts in the US and backlash from fans. Corporate broadcasting networks blacklisted them for the remainder of the Bush years. After a hiatus, they toured again in 2010, 2013 and 2016. The Chicks have won 13 Grammy Awards, including 5 in 2007 for Taking the Long Way, which received the Grammy Award for Album of the Year, and its single Not Ready to Make Nice. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.